all Brittany with the hot tune.
Producer Brittany extraordinaire. She's also a DJ.
That's right. The Academy Awards are this Sunday, and our next guest is sharing some creative snack ideas for the big night.
A very important addition, of course, here evening. Rachel Riederman is a food photographer and recipe developer. She has a new book out, love this, called Once Upon a Rind in Hollywood. Yep.
Get it?
And there's some fun ideas in there, some punny ideas, cheesy, corny, all the best. Like this, Brie King Dawn board. Brie King Dawn, inspired by Twilight, of course, one of my favorite franchises. Or this, a Hocus Prosciutto board, based on Hocus Pocus, another great film. Look at how cute.
I know.
Rachel Riederman, thank you so much for your brain and for being here and sharing with us.
I'm happy to be here and share this.
Okay, so
What a fun idea, though.
fantastic.
How did you come up with all of these?
Well, I had 50 movies to work with, and I had to watch them all again. And
Seems like good homework.
Yeah, it was fun. It was totally fun. Got to watch the movies, look for food inspiration, pick up on movie vibes, design, create the boards, and photograph them.
Now, how does one become a food photographer? I feel like I could maybe do that. I take pictures of everything I eat.
I used to work in fashion, kind of using my creative eye to create these boards. I love food.
Yes.
So, you know, just putting it all together.
Okay.
To make it delicious and beautiful.
So here's a finished product. You said it's casual elegance.
Yeah.
I love that, casual glam. So what kind of snack board are we making today?
Oscars, it's
what
the
do we
Oscars.
have? Yes, of course. What do we have going into it? Yes, big night.
So big night. It's casual glam. It's kind of sweet and like mild flavors. Complements the champagne and the cocktail that I'll be making.
Okay.
We've got some delicious brie that you can easily just slice
Oh,
off.
I love a soft brie.
Fan off. Your guests can just pop a piece in their mouth. We've got some delicious drunken goat, picking up on the wine vibes.
Isn't that funny how, you know, like, I always end up just putting something in my mouth, and it's like, no, why don't you use the cracker, a spread, a cheese, and make a whole thing? I ain't got time for that. I'm just going to just put it right in my gullet.
Yeah, you got it.
Stacey Ann?
Yeah,
you know what,
Stacey?
Stacey?
That
I'm
is
just
what it's
sitting here.
help
You
yourself,
dive in.
Enjoy.
Don't mind me.
You dive in. Is this a fig spread?
Fig spread. We've got the fig and rosemary crackers that everybody loves from that famous grocery store everybody
yes,
loves.
I know the one. I know just the one.
Yeah,
And some
so
delicious
enjoy.
grapes.
Yeah,
And
you
is this
can't
honey
go
right here?
wrong. That is honey.
Fantastic.
Got a little
I love it.
spreader if you
All right, so
need.
with the board, of course, we get a little thirsty. We have champagne. What kind of a cocktail are we doing here? An elegant one, of course.
We're taking the sparkling wine or the champagne, popping it up a notch with a classic French 75. It's actually in the book.
Oh, I love a French
Delish.
75.
So we have some gin. We've got some fresh lemon juice. Just pour it in a glass. I'm not going to be able to do that.
There you go. Go ahead, girl.
Thank
Yes, you
you.
can.
Yeah.
Si se puede. There we go.
Thank you. Put it in your glass.
And do I detect
And what's
a citrus rind?
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask.
Yeah.
What is it like in the secret sauce when it comes to creating all of
We've
this?
got some lemon zest.
Lemon zest.
But before the lemon zest, the most important part,
of
a
course.
champagne floater.
Yeah. Oh, I love a
sparkling wine floater.
Now, do you recommend having it on the rocks or chilled or just room temperature?
So you don't want it room temperature. In your mixer, you've got, we're supposed to have a little ice. We give it a stir, that chills
Okay.
it. Put in your glass, top it with the chilled champagne. That's what makes it cold.
And we did have
Then
the
top it
recipe
off.
right on the screen for anybody at home who is salivating watching this. So have you kept up with the Oscars at all? Have you watched any of the films? Any ones that are front runners for you? We just had Jack Rico on. He gave his predictions. What are you thinking? What are you feeling? What are you wishing?
Everything everywhere is everything.
I heard so many good things about it. I haven't seen that just yet, but I'm with you on that.
Yeah.
So we are definitely looking forward to it.
Hold on.
Oh.
What's happening up front here?
How could we forget? The little phyllo cups with little bites of brie warmed with a little Luxardo cherry, a little boozy cherry.
Oh, yes, a drunken
So
cherry. I love.
more sweet, cheesy flavors.
Let me pop one of these in my mouth. You know, it's so funny. It's like very simple things, but you put it all together. The phyllo really just ups it a little bit. It's easy, but it makes it classy. You could feel fancy sitting on your couch.
Speaking of fancy, we've got some popcorn. It's the movies. You need popcorn. Why do regular movie theater popcorn when you can do white cheddar with kettle corn, picking up on the sweet, cheesy vibes, some more. A little sweet and savory.
That is key. You have everything all at once right here. Kind of like the movie I'm thinking in my head.
It's a party on
Once
your
Upon
coffee
a
table.
Ride in
love
Hollywood is out now. You can find it wherever you get your books.
I love the idea. Congratulations.
Thank you so
Thank you for being here. I'll be reading through this ahead of Sunday.
All right.